Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of currants. Don't let their size fool you. These colorful gems are power-packed with an array of health benefits that can truly elevate your well-being. Join us as we uncover the incredible world of currants and how they can nourish your body from within. Let's get started on this juicy journey to better health. First and foremost, currants are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports the immune system by enhancing the function of immune cells and helping the body fight off infections. They contain various antioxidants, including flavonoids and anthocyanins, which help neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce oxidative stress on the immune system. Currants provide essential minerals like iron and copper, which are vital for a healthy immune response and play a role in immune cell function and red blood cell production. The combination of vitamins and minerals in currants works synergistically to fortify the immune system, helping the body defend against illnesses and infections. Vitamin C in currants supports respiratory health by reducing the severity and duration of colds and flu, making it an important ally during the cold and flu season. What's more, currants, in their various colors like red, black, or white, can significantly contribute to heart health. The potassium content in currants supports heart health by aiding in the regulation of blood pressure, potentially reducing the risk of hypertension and related heart conditions. Antioxidants and flavonoids found in currants may help reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases by supporting healthy blood flow, preventing blood clots, and improving overall heart function. The fiber and phytosterols in currants may help lower levels of LDL cholesterol, promoting a healthier heart and reducing the risk of atherosclerosis. The anthocyanins in currants may support endothelial function, contributing to healthy blood vessels and better circulation throughout the body. Additionally, currants, whether red, black, or white, can positively impact digestive health. They are a good source of dietary fiber, which aids in promoting healthy digestion by regulating bowel movements and preventing constipation. The fiber in currants helps add bulk to the stool and supports regular bowel movements, contributing to a well-functioning digestive tract. Fiber may act as a prebiotic, providing nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria and promoting a healthy gut microbiome. Maintaining a healthy gut flora through the consumption of fiber-rich foods like currants is crucial for digestive health, as it can improve nutrient absorption and support overall gut well-being. Did you know currants offer a range of benefits for skin health? The antioxidants in currants may help reduce the signs of aging by promoting collagen production, improving skin elasticity, and minimizing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Currants, especially black currants, contain compounds that may help in reducing hyperpigmentation and promoting a more even skin tone. The anti-inflammatory properties of currants may help in reducing acne and blemishes, promoting clearer and smoother skin. Currants possess soothing properties that can calm irritated or sensitive skin, providing relief from various skin conditions. Regular consumption of currants may give the skin a natural radiance, making it appear fresh and revitalized. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Let's talk about eye health. The presence of antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin in currants may help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss. Vitamin A in currants supports better night vision and helps maintain the health of the retina, a key factor for good eyesight. Consuming this powerful fruits may help reduce eye fatigue and strain, especially from prolonged screen exposure, due to their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. The hydration-promoting effects of currants, combined with their antioxidant content, can aid in preventing dry eyes and maintaining eye moisture. Moreover, the fiber content in currants may aid in blood sugar control, supporting individuals with diabetes or those aiming for balanced blood sugar levels. But the benefits don't stop there. Currants are a good source of iron, an essential mineral that helps in the formation of hemoglobin in red blood cells, supporting oxygen transport and circulation. Iron from currants aids in the binding of oxygen to hemoglobin, ensuring efficient oxygen delivery to cells and tissues, promoting overall vitality. Adequate iron from currants helps prevent iron deficiency anemia, a condition that can lead to fatigue, weakness, and reduced oxygen circulation in the body. The vitamin C in currants enhances iron absorption from plant-based sources, further supporting the production of healthy red blood cells and improved oxygen circulation. Lastly, currants contain calcium, iron, and manganese essential minerals for bone health and may help prevent osteoporosis and maintain bone density. And there you have it, folks. Stay healthy and see you tomorrow. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.